So, in this 35th episode of November 917 Yankee, we're finally going to get the real name for this wonderful A26 Invader. I appreciate you guys following along. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe, share it with people, and enjoy. And I'll see you at the end. So, in the last couple of videos ago, I showed safety wiring, the bolts that hold the engines on, and I realized that I couldn't really see much. I'm going to go out and take a couple of pictures up close of that safety wiring, but I'm about to safety wire the carburetor on the left side. I've got the right side done, and I'll do that in hyperlapse, and then you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So hold on, we'll be right there. So one of the modifications that we're making to our instrument panel, you'll see in the photos that our fire suppression stuff is right in front of the pilot down low on the instrument panel. We're making an effort to move that up to the center of the instrument panel so that both pilots have access, and also add an annunciator panel for indications of issues with the engines.
Finally ready to name the A-26 Invader in Provo, Utah. I've come up with an appropriate name that the airplane will forever be known as. We're going to call it Beast of Burden, otherwise known as Bob. Just kidding. We'll move on to the real name soon. That's just a teaser. See you later.
I played that clip from Dave's teaser about naming the plane Bob. But last Friday, Dave allowed us to see the name that he selected for the airplane, and I'm going to play that clip now. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. So down here in Provo, we're about to do something we've never done before. Well, kind of, sort of. Dave's about to name the airplane. Let me turn the camera around. We have an audience because none of us know what this is. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting. So Dave's going to show this on the screen to us, what he's put together, and I'm going to get the reactions from the crowd.
It came to me that Virgo Vargas had the best pinup models of the day, beautiful and timeless. I found one that is just what we were looking for. There seemed to be always that double entendre and the underlying message given to the airplane, and in those days, the correct name came to me. It all came together in just a matter of hours. The airplane seemed to name itself. She will lovingly be known by the most fitting name it can only be. High maintenance.
There you go.
Latest development here. Please send us your thoughts. We accept any criticism and accolades, good or bad. Send to this email address, 826.N917YHM@gmail.com.
I like it. I like it. Good job. I like it, Dave.
Where do I get a shirt?
What do you think, everybody?
I love it. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Well, good job, Dave.
right.
That was fantastic. You done good.
Is that going to work?
That's gonna work.
Yeah.
So yeah. Look at that.
I don't think you need to make any changes.
Okay, got one more, well, a couple more surprises. I need Brooklyn. While you're here, you can help me with this.
Okay.
And
So unfortunately, it was at this moment that my mic crapped out on me again. So I'm going to have to do something different about that. But it was, he had Brooklyn model the coat that he had painted up with the nose art that we're going to use on the airplane. And then Jan and Dave affixed a test image of what the nose art is going to look like. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more exciting restoration fun as we come closer to putting this aircraft back in the air. Please subscribe, like, share with your friends, and leave comments. They help us immensely. Thank you so much for watching.